Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It's Al Sudais Online Quran Academy, and I'm very glad to see you here. And I hope you all are fine. We're also offering the paid course. If you wanna do the paid course, you can contact us. So let's get started today's lesson. Today we're gonna learn about the Maddat letters exercise. In Maddat letters, I told you when Zabar comes before Alif, it's called Alif Madda. When Pesh comes before Waw, it's called Waw Madda. And when Zer comes before Ya, it's called Ya Madda. So let's get started how to read the Maddat letters. Ya, Waw, Pesh, Bu. رَعْتُ زَمَرًا بُورًا in stop بُورًا in stop one zabar will be removed and one zabar remains, then it would be converted into alif madda, and then it would be covered in alif madda, and in stop we should stretch it buran in stop bura. Next, mim pesh mu ba ya zir bi mubi nun tu pesh nun mubinun in stop mubin. Ta alif zabar ta ra ziri tari kaf tu pesh kun tarikun in stop tarik. Sa alif zabar sa ba zir bi sabi ta tu peshtun sabitun in stop sabit. Mim zabar ma sa waw pesh su masu ba zabar ba masuba ta tu zabartan masubatan in stop masuba. Hamzah zabar a sa ya zir si asi mim tu zir min asimin in stop asim. Ain zabar a jim ya zir ji aji ba tu pesh bun ajibun in stop. In stop we just removed the two pesh and we just stop the sound on the ba. Ajib ajibun in stop ajib. Ha alif zabar ha jim zir ji haji za tu zabar zan za like a whistle sound and ha with fresh breath hajizan hajizan in stop we just remove one zabar and the one zabar with alif it's convert into alif madda hajiza hajizan in stop hajiza. Ha waw pesh hu ba tu zabar ban huban in stop we remove one zabar and one zabar with alif it's convert into alif madda huba huban in stop huba. Fa zabar fa ho waw pesh hu ho is full of mouth fa hu ra is also full of mouth Ra to pesh un. Fakhur un. In stop, we just remove the two pesh and just we stop the sound on the ra. Fakhur. Fakhurun. In stop. Fakhur. Khoya zikhi. Fa zabar fa. Khifa. Tatu zabartan. Khifatan. In stop. Khifa. In stop, we just remove two zabar as well as two dots, and then circle ta is converted into ha. So how we read in stop? Khifa. Next, dal alif zabar da, noon to zainin, danin. In stop, we just remove the two z and we have to stop sound on the noon. Dan, danin. In stop, dan. In this word, we just read about the vaw madda, because can you see here, before vaw, here's the page, it's called vaw madda. In the next word, we just read about the ya madda, because yas is here and before ya, here's the z. So it's called ya madda. In the next word, we also read about the alif madda, because here's alif and before alif here's zabar, so it's called alif madda. In the next word is the same condition. Here's the alif madda, and in the next this one word we also read about the vaw madda, because before vaw here's the pesh, so it's called vaw madda. In the next word we read about ya madda, because can you see, before ya here's the z, so it's called ya madda. Here we just read about ya madda. In this word we read alif madda, and in this word we read vaw madda. In the next line you have to search by yourself which one madda we have read here, in this word as well and in this word as well. You have to tell me in my comments below. I will be waiting for your comments. Stay with us to have to learn qaida with tajweed. You have to read these lessons accordingly, then you would be improve your qaida with tajweed. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.